Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. I'm Alex from Prime Dash, and today I'll show you how to manually add transactions in the Decision Maker. By the end of this video, you will know how to manually add transactions, create multiple types of transactions, and manage the transactions for your company in your Decision Maker account. So let's start. If you want to manually add transactions in the Decision Maker, start by clicking the Data Upload icon, select how your data is structured, and then select a starting period. Finally, click on Proceed. Now, from the pop-up, select Manual, and then Proceed. Here, make sure you are on the Transactions tab. To add a new transaction, click on the Transaction Type button. Choose a category for your transaction out of the 10 options found in the drop-down menu. Let's quickly go through all of them. Other equity refers to the amount of stock repurchased by the company or issuer, the amount of additional paid in capital, or any other equity type transactions. Under Accounts Receivable, you can add the income to be received from customers or debtors. Use the Inventory option for transactions relating to the amount spent in inventory. Your other current assets are things of value that the company owns, benefits from, or uses to generate income that can be converted into cash. Your non-current assets are long-term investments for which the full value will not be realized within the accounting year. Depreciation refers to the amount of depreciated assets, usually reserved for tangible or hard assets, and amortization to the amount of amortized assets, usually intangible or soft assets. Under Accounts Payable, you can add amounts owed to creditors. Other current liability is all your short-term debt, and non-current liability refers to your long-term debt. And finally, share capital is used for the total value of the issued common and preferred stock, also referred to as company shares issued. Let's say that our transaction today falls in the Accounts Payable category. Choose that from the drop-down list and then move on to renaming your transaction. We'll call this one Suppliers. Once you've named it, go ahead and enter an amount in the editable field next to the name. You can adjust the amount entered here by using the up and down arrows. Use the Add Period button to add as many periods as you need for the newly created transaction. The Add Beginning Period button can be used if you want to add a balance amount carried forward from a past period for the newly created transaction. Adding this field will affect all the transactions you add, for all the additional periods created. Deleting transactions is easy. Just click on the Delete icon next to the transaction name. For deleting entire periods, use the red wrench icon next to the period name, and click on Delete Period from the drop-down menu. That was it for manually adding transactions in your Decision Maker account. Now, you'll be able to successfully add new transactions manually, and manage and create multiple types of transactions for your company in your Decision Maker account. Thank you for watching this video. Start your journey to financial success with the Decision Maker.